Okay, so this is my independent living presentation, and this first half, I'm just gonna talk about like how to do laundry, and then in the second half of the video, you can see me actually like do it. But so pretty much, the first half with laundry is pretty straightforward once you know how to like get the basics. But the first step is you want to sort your laundry. You want to sort it by color, fabric, and soil level. Color meaning you want to separate like your whites from your lights and like darks and stuff like that, because you don't want to mix colored clothes with white clothes, because then they end up turning like pink and stuff. And then by fabric, separate them by like your delicate clothes with your regular clothes and heavy items like towels or jeans. And then by soil level is like heavily soiled items can be washed separately to avoid like dirt transfer. Second thing is checking for care labels. Certain clothes might have like specific washing instructions like temperature, machine cycle, and etc. And some fabrics like wool or silk may require like delicate washing or even like hand washing instead. So you want to check your labels on your clothes. Third one, like if you have a stain, you have to pre-treat stains before. Like if you have a stained clothes, treat it before throwing it into the washing machine, and like put a stain remover on or detergent directly to the spot on your clothes before washing it. Choose the right detergent. Use a regular detergent for most clothes. For sensitive or sensitive skin, you can get like more gentle detergents, and make sure you select the right washing cycle. So there's normal and regular is for like just pretty much your basic everyday clothes. There's delicate, gentle for delicate fabrics, and like silk or like thin clothes. If you have like those athletic kind of shirt materials and stuff like that, you can use delicate for that. Heavy duty for heavily soiled items, and then set the water temperature. There's cold, warm, and hot. And cold is pretty much the best for dark colors, delicates, and fabrics that like are prone to be shrunk or bleed. Warm is good for regular loads with moderate soil, and hot is best for whites, towels, and heavily soiled items. But you got to be careful with hot water because it can shrink and damage certain fabrics. Don't load your washing machine. If you guys have like the little like stick thingy sticking in the middle of your washing machine, the general rule is you don't want to put clothes like above it, and don't pack your clothes down. Like leave it nice and loose. So just like don't fill your washing machine above 75% ish. So yeah, once you throw all your clothes in, add the detergent. Follow the instructions for how much. Usually there's markings on your, if you use like a liquid detergent, there will be markings on your cup for like one, two, three, four. If you have like a medium load amount of clothes, you might want to do like two or three. And if you have a lot, you want to do more liquid detergent. If you use Tide Pods, like the pods, it's usually one, two, or three. I generally just use one, and then if I have a lot of clothes, I'll do two. Start the machine, and then for drying, once everything's done, you can air dry clothes, which is good for delicate and like shrink prone items. You can tumble dry, which you can use this for most clothes, but make sure you check the labels first. You can do low heat for delicates and synthetics, and you can do high heat for durable fabrics like towels and jeans. After that, make sure you fold or hang up your clothes to keep them wrinkle free. And yep, that's it. Okay, guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are doing laundry for my independent living class. So, first step, you get your dirty clothes. I got like a laundry basket because I have my brother, so I'm gonna wash his clothes too. Loki, you're just gonna throw it in here, and you want to separate out your like socks and stuff if they're like tucked in, untuck it and things like that. And clothes with zippers, like zip them up, and kind of just like unfold it so everything's not scrunched up and actually gets like clean when you wash it. And then some people be using like liquid bleach and stuff, but we're just going with we just got some good old Tide Pods. Usually you can do about one. It depends on how much like clothes you're washing. You got a decent amount, but I think one should be fine. So I'm just going in with one Tide Pod. And kind of just close it. Turn on your washing machine. It's gonna be a little different for everyone, but you can do normal. I low-key go delicate, and then I just keep everything like about the same, like medium temperature, like medium everything, and then you just hold the start, and then that's it for the washing part. Guys, now that the laundry's done, you want to take it out, put it into your dryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All the clothes is in the laundry, and I'm gonna go. Once you put it all in the dryer right there, I got these, like oh yeah, dryer sheets. That's what they're called. Get a dryer sheet or two, depends on how much you have. Throw it in, close it, and then once again, just set it to. Depends on your clothing. Like if you're washing your bed sheets, do bedding, and it's pretty common sense. But either go normal or delicates. I just go delicates. And this one right is saying check my lint screen. There's low-key nothing in here. But make sure you empty this out every once in a while, or else your clothes won't be dry. And you just start it. And that's the dryer. Don't forget to fold your clothes after it's done washing, guys. And why is this important? Because you gotta learn how to do laundry so you have clean clothes to wear during your life. And yeah, that's it.